It's time for another Scene World unboxing video. I've merely cut the top of the parcel to get in. It's come a long way from Poland. Let's open it and find out what's inside. You can see it's bubble wrapped to protect it. You might already have guessed what it is. Let's take off the bubble wrap and reveal the single button games collection from GNA Plus, powered by SiBUGA single button controller. So side art. Now the back, so the games include Captain Cloudberry, Flapper, Flappy Bird and Fire to Jump. Let's open the box one-handed. I can. I'm going to have to put down the phone a second. There's an extra bubble wrap inside to protect it, and I'm loving this artwork by Jan Lurk. So then there's the manual and a Captain Cloudberry art card, the complimentary badge and stickers. So then we lift up the packaging and we find inside the tape, Fire to Jump, Flapper, Flappy Bird, Pixel City Skated on there, as well as Captain Cloudberry. So Pixel City Skater is another game designed for use with just a single button. And here we have the SiBUGA single button game controller, which has a standard 9-pin port on the end of it. So just let me undo back here. Take out the art card. Put that artwork on the back. Inside we have a very nice Pixel City Skater badge. I collect pin badges, so this is nice. And there's half a dozen lot of stickers here, one for each game, and a GNA Plus logo. So I'll have a quick look through the instruction booklet, which surprised me by being vertically oriented. And this then is Firefighter, which is a type-in game designed for use with single button controller. So it can be downloaded from the original Firefighter, which was a 10-line game. This is obviously the enhanced game. One button and your imagination. What is it for? So it shows you how to check the status of your button. And a little piece on maintaining the product. So using the label SiBUGA, I list games which are played with only one button. So that's what's in the package. I thought I'd order this as it was a limited edition. The games themselves are freely available. It's nice to have the tape edition. Yeah, it's all nicely packaged together here. So that will be it for this video. I feel it kind of misses the point to show you the games in emulation, as they need to be played on the real machine with the controller. I'll put that back in the one. Lift that out. So rather clumsily, I hit a button on the side of my phone, which meant that the video ended. And so I just had to add, this is quite a short video compared to some of my previous unboxings. If you want to find out more, visit the SiBUGA.com website and check out the All Seen database and itch.io for links to the various games, and keep watching the SeaWorld channel for more retro unboxing videos.